Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to Netception, and in this video we are going to show you how you can turn on dark mode on YouTube. Now all know that actually the dark mode is getting popular with the material design in various apps and things like that. So we can see dark mode in almost all of the operating system as well as websites. They are going more towards the dark mode to have this night and shady look, and it's also good for your eyes rather than staring at YouTube, which has this really white thing going on. It has really bright theme, and if you want to get rid of that, if you want to have a cool looking as well as soothing to your eyes dark mode, all you got to do is pretty simple. First of all, you have to take your mouse towards the top where you actually have profile picture of your own account and click on it. Once you do, you will have drop down options, and here you can see actually the dark theme option available. Just click on it and you have what is dark mode written here. Dark theme actually turns the light surfaces of the page dark, creating an experience for ideal for night, so you can browse YouTube in night without harming your eyes, without having too much light going on. And you can do this and it will apply to this browser only. So if you are accessing YouTube from your own account in another device, you have to turn it on again. So all you got to do is go to this button you have, the sliding button you have next to the dark theme option, and turn it on. And as you can see, it's turned on. It looks beautiful, it's dark, and it's awesome. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please give this video a like, and also do share this video with your friends who might also want to know how to turn on the dark mode. There are actually various other videos on our channel. You can check this out. This might be helpful to you as well, so do check out our videos. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.
Yeah.